Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Teachable website. First, navigate to the Teachable platform and sign up for an account. You'll then set up your school's basic information, like its name and subdomain. Next, customize your school's branding by uploading a logo and choosing your color scheme. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your online presence and preparing for course creation. Now, let's dive into building your course content. Within your Teachable school, create new courses and add sections to organize your material. Each section can contain multiple lectures. You can upload videos, audio files, text, and even quizzes to these lectures. Ensure your content is well-structured and easy for students to follow, providing a seamless learning experience. Once your course content is ready, it's time to set your pricing and publish. Teachable offers flexible pricing options, including free, one-time purchase, or subscription plans. Integrate your preferred payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal, to process transactions securely. After reviewing all settings, publish your course to make it live and accessible to your eager students, ready for enrollment. Finally, let's cover marketing and student management. Teachable provides tools to help you promote your course, like custom landing pages and coupon codes. You can easily manage your student roster, track their progress through your lectures, and communicate with them directly. Engaging with your students and effectively marketing your course are key to its long-term success and growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.